Hello everyone, welcome back to a new and exciting video. This is Mohammad Latif here for BSc Planet. Today I am here to show you the actual installation of the year, and you are going to see the AHU installation without the valve package. This is indeed surprising. It at site. Alright, let us start now. This is how the air handling unit looks like. This is the control panel for the air handling unit, and this air handling unit is supported on the plinth with the rubber pad, and the rubber pad is distributed on all the four sides based on its load. Now let me show you the inside of the AHU. This is the fan, supply fan, and this is the motor, and this is connected to the fan with the conveyor belt, and this is the evaporator unit of the air handling unit. And this is the refrigerant connection. Guys, here comes the twist. As you can see, the refrigerant connection entering to the AHU without any valve package. Yes, this is possible. This is the VRF system. This AHU runs on the VRF machine, and there is no valve between the AHU and the outdoor unit. All the communication is happening between a control cable, and there is a EEV kit which is installed inside the AHU. Moving on, there is a back filter which filters the return air from the building. This is the return air duct. And this side we have a drain connection which will be connected to the condenser drain pipe. And this full body of the AHU is on the plinth. The BMS connection has been done. This is the return temperature sensor to know the return air temperature from the building. And this is the filter differential pressure switch. One tube goes before and one tube goes after the filter. And there is one more DP switch here for the fan, and in the supply side we have a duct temperature humidity sensor. Alright, this is how the actual AHU looks like. Alright guys, that's it. Now you have seen the AHU installation, how it looks without the valve package which runs on the VRF system. If you have any comments or clarification, do write in the comment box below. And if you like the content, please like, subscribe, share and press the bell icon. See you guys again with the next exciting video as soon as possible. Bye bye.